Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Qudos Bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in qudosbank.com.au and click on enter. After that, you'll be directed to official homepage of Qudos Bank. At the top right corner, you can see a login button. Click on it. Then click on online banking option. After that, you need to verify. Just click on this box. Now a login page will appear where you need to type in your member number and password. After typing in your information, you can click on login button to log into your Qudos Bank account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instructions to reset it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.